What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Akro or Akropolis, whatever you want to call it. Just wanted to do an update on that. I've covered this quite often in the last weeks. It's been bullish for over a month right now, but it also, it has been bearish to be honest since September. So a lot going on. Just wanted to do an update right now because it actually like I said, the bearish momentum kicked in, and now what we've seen over the last 24 hours is some more bullish momentum. So that's interesting, and that's also the main reason why I wanted to do an update, see what's possible from here, what's most likely, at least according to my analysis. So I'll tell you about that. We'll do a full analysis. We'll take a look at some interesting statistics as well. In general, hopefully, that's at least my goal. I'll tell you everything you need to know, all right? But that's what we'll do, so let's get into it. So right now, Akro, as most of you know, was very, very manipulated. You can just see it in the price. All of these spikes, it just doesn't look right, and it really wasn't, all right? So yeah. It was very manipulated. It seems like it's over right now. Like it also dropped down below this trend line and the 200 EMA, which is a lot of bearish confirmation. With this bullish momentum right now starting up, and also with the open interest and the volume increasing right now quite heavily. Like it's still like the volume is great, but the open interest is still quite low. So I would not say that it's likely that Akro will turn bullish again. Like what happens very often is that if a manipulated crypto starts moving down, is that sometimes it will still have those rallies and those spikes up, and then it will continue dropping down. And for now, if we take a look at the technicals, then there's no indication, I would say, that any significant bullish breakout has happened. Like right now, Akro has just moved up to the 0.382 fib with the trend line. It hasn't even really touched, well, yeah, right, it has touched the trend line zone at least. So right now it's just bearish confirmation. It just went up to strong resistance, and now it has found resistance. Now, if Akro, I wouldn't say this is the most likely scenario. I think it's most likely that it will drop back down towards like 1.25 cents, find some support, but ultimately drop down below that as well and continue down towards 1 cent and below. I think ultimately, by the way, that Akro is dropping down all the way to this level right here at 0.7 cents, but that still might take some time. So yeah, I think this is the most likely scenario. It's in line with the general direction of the market right now. It's in line with the market structure of Akro. It's in line with what I've seen historically to have happened after a significant move like this. There is still, because it's manipulated, all right, and Akro has been one of the most manipulated cryptos I've seen this entire year. Sure, there is the possibility that Akro will be able to break above this level right here. I would say at, and this is going to be a very precise level, but that's needed, at 0.0142. That's the main resistance. If Akro is able to break above that on the 4-hour time frame, then it's at least on the short term bullish again, and will get up to 1.6, 1.7. But something like this, I would say it's a possibility, but I would say it's not the most likely scenario. I would say it's between like 10 to 20% in terms of probability chances, and that it's more likely to summarize that this market structure will continue, that Akro will find some support at 1.25 cents, that it will eventually break down. Akro will drop down to the area around 1 cent and ultimately down all the way to 0.7. That is my most likely scenario on Akro, and that's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.